Hi, it's Kurt Clements over at Insider Show Homes, and I'm here at a property waiting on a buyer over on King in South Holland. So just wanted to give you a quick showing and see what we have. Let me get this flipped around. So you walk in the front door, and that's where we're at here. And you come in, and you have a kind of a gray color scheme in the family room. And this is a split level home. So there's our coat closet when we walk in, and there's our beautiful front door. Coat closet. Okay, I'm going to give you a picture of the big picture window. All right, and then we'll come back to the coat closet. And there's the stairs that go up to the bedrooms, which we'll hit in a minute, and then the stairs down to the lower level with the bathroom on the right there that you see the door for. But when you come in, there's a family room area. And there's the table for the breakfast eating area. And then you come in to this open concept per se, slightly open, with the kitchen. So we're going to get a little bit closer here. There's your fridge. So you get the freezer on the bottom and split on the top with the cabinetry. Dishwasher. Granite countertops. Check out the backsplash. So you have like that white glass backsplash, and the countertops are kind of a gray. Everything's a gray tone in the home. The countertops have the little gray tone, but with a brown color as well. It's really a surprising. It works very well together. Let me put it like that, especially with the granite countertops. We have our 5-burner stove, and of course the microwave. And again, we're in South Holland. It's a tri-level home or split-level home. Recently rehabbed and remodeled. Heading upstairs. And we're going to go to the right first. And there's our upstairs bathroom right here. This is just a little storage above the stairs. They did something pretty neat in the bathroom here. I wanted to show you as we walk over. Oh, there's our, where we put our towels and toilet paper and all that other good stuff. I haven't really seen this before, and I thought it was pretty cool, so I wanted to show you guys. You have the sink, which is common. But the way they did the tile backsplash, they had to go vertical instead of horizontal, and they went all the way up to the ceiling. So that's pretty remarkable. And then, loving the shower head. Now we're going to come down here and you can see the tile work. But look at the faucet for the tub. You see how that twists? I think that's kind of cool. But anyway, so this is the upstairs bathroom. Of course you have the shaded window, or the clouded window if you will. And the tile. Tile's fine. Carpet up here in the bedrooms. We have one of the kids' rooms. Just a regular bedroom. It's probably 10 by 10 or 9 by 10. Of course, closet behind. Typical closet. No big deal. Okay. Closet's closet. And then another bedroom. Okay. Another closet. That's nice. So when the kids go busting in the bedroom, you don't put a hole in the wall. And then our third bedroom, probably the master. Usually the master's close to the bath. Okay? So now we're going to head down the stairs to the bottom level. By the way, before we do that, we'll check out the kitchen again. 2-car garage. Huge backyard. Yep, it was recently rehabbed and remodeled. Needs a little work. But that's part of being a homeowner. All right. And we're heading downstairs. Okay. Carpeted as well. Come back here. Washer and dryer. water heater, door to the backyard, and furnace. So this is all by itself. I'm going to show you that in a minute. And then the downstairs bath. Again, they did that really cool stuff with the tile again. They had to go vertical. Again, something new and different. Have the clouded window, which is nice. Give you some privacy. And we've started to see these types of sinks more and more. It's like a mini kitchen sink, if you will. I don't mean sink, I mean the water faucet. Sorry about that. Then we have the shower downstairs with the tile work. There's a shower head. Not as cool as the one upstairs, but still really nice. Okay? And then the final thing that people seem to really like is the fake fireplace. It does put off heat. It's just, here, let's look at that. So you get that blower that's kicking out heat, and I don't know what you would call that, little crystals or whatever. That's not what it is, but it's kind of cool. But anyway, let me back up for you here. So it's kind of a marbleized tile that goes all the way up, and it's sharp. And again, this right behind here is just like we saw upstairs, just a little more storage in the crawl space. All right, this around. So it's Kurt with Insider Show Homes. If you are looking to become a homeowner or know of anybody that's looking to sell their home, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We'd be more than happy to help you as well. All right, thank you so much. Bye-bye.